Top focus at this hour, the sixth round of bilateral trade negotiations talks between India and the United States has now been rescheduled to a later date, and this is according to sources. Now, earlier, a US team was scheduled to visit India from August 25th for the next round of negotiations, but now that has been deferred. In fact, so far, 5 rounds of talks have been completed between the two countries for the proposed bilateral trade agreement. Now this rescheduling of the meeting assumes significance amid a US announcing a staggering 50% duty on Indian goods. Now here, viewers, the US is pressing for greater market access in politically sensitive areas, specifically agriculture and dairy sectors. But India has already made its stand very clear that it will not compromise the interests of its farmers. In fact, amid the growing tensions between the two countries when it comes to trade, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made a push for Swadeshi products while giving a strong message of support to farmers and fishermen in his Independence Day speech from Red Fort.
आत्मनिर्भरता का नाता सिर्फ आयात और निर्यात, रुपये, पैसे, पाउंड, डॉलर यहां तक सीमित नहीं है। इतना सीमित अर्थ उसका नहीं है। आत्मनिर्भरता का नाता हमारे सामर्थ्य से जुड़ा हुआ, और जब आत्मनिर्भरता खत्म होने लगती है तो सामर्थ्य भी निरंतर क्षीण होता जाता है। और इसलिए हमारे सामर्थ्य को बचाए रखने, बनाए रखने और बढ़ाए रखने के लिए आत्मनिर्भर होना बहुत अनिवार्य है। साथियों, हमने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में देखा है मेड इन इंडिया की कमाल क्या थी। दुश्मन को पता तक न चला ये कौन से शस्त्रास्त्र है, ये कौन सा सामर्थ्य है जो पलक भर में उनको नष्ट कर रहा है। सोचिए, अगर हम आत्मनिर्भर होते न होते तो क्या ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इतनी त्वरित गति से हम कर पाते? पता नहीं कौन सप्लाई देगा, नहीं देगा, साजो सामान मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा, इसी की चिंता बनी रहती। लेकिन हमें मेड इन इंडिया की शक्ति हमारे हाथ में थी, सेना के हाथ में थी। इसलिए बिना चिंता, बिना रुकावट, बिना हिचकिचाहट हमारी सेना अपना पराक्रम करती रही। और ये पिछले 10 साल से लगातार डिफेंस के क्षेत्र में आत्मनिर्भरता पर हम एक मिशन लेकर के चले हैं, उसके नतीजे आज नजर आ रहे हैं।
Now my colleague Pragya Bakshi Sharma is joining me on the phone line here. Pragya, give us more details about this deferment that has now come in the US-India trade talks, and also has either of the side confirmed the next date?
Well, Ishita, yes, the talks, the 6th round of negotiations has been postponed, and no, there is no date when it will be resumed. This seems temporary right now, and it is coming in the backdrop of Trump engaging with Putin and about to engage with Zelensky on Monday. So it's important to mention that these talks between US, Russia and Kiev are going to have some kind of bearing on the tariff talks between India and US, because remember, the condition of Washington is that India stop its trade with Russia. So which again is not going to happen, because India also on its part is very clear that it will not, hamper the interests of its farmers, and that is the stand that India is taking. So under what circumstances these talks have been deferred remains to be seen really. It seems more like a back channel development really. And so we'll have to wait and watch what happens going forward. So for now, where the tariffs also stands, it's a bit of a gray area, because yesterday, Donald Trump told Fox News that maybe they will not have to put the secondary tariffs, and if they do, maybe not for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So we are not sure if we are looking at a respite here or if, because given this development, the tariff tension continues to remain really. So we are pretty much hanging in the balance here, and so it remains to be seen, what happens going forward. Now, which party from the US and from the India, whether it's India that has deferred the talks or the US that has deferred the talks, it's not clear yet, even though reports are saying that it is the US side that has deferred talks. However, there is still some lack of clarity on that. But right now, the only clear development is that the 6th round of negotiations has been paused, and we will have to wait and watch what happens going forward.
Right, Pragya, the context is key here, and that brings me to another question. With Russian president now revealing that trade between Moscow and Washington has increased by 20% under Trump's second term, do you think with that revelation coming out, Trump is now likely to go softer on India?
That seems unlikely, although, with Donald Trump, you cannot really tell. However, he seems quite adamant on the tariffs. A way of arm twisting New Delhi. But like I said, the Russia-US talks and the talks with Ukraine are going to have some bearing on this. So that development, that meeting in that part of the world is also significant to New Delhi, and it remains to be seen. What Putin has said, really, putting Trump on the spot here, mentioning the growing trade with US, it essentially sort of, he's taking sort of a jibe at Trump is what he did. Not sure how the US side took it, but yes, it does give us another point to counter the US and to counter the US narrative primarily. To say that you are, looking after your self-interest and boosting trade with Russia while you are imposing tariffs on India for the same. So yes, it helps New Delhi makes its case stronger. Whether that will change Trump's mind, whether he will be introspective about it, not really. I mean, politicians will politic is what I'll say on that.